Hello, I am Master Architect Zafer Tarık Taner. I am a PhD student in RGS University. Our work comparing the benefits of CPM and PERT for the project manager in terms of different construction projects. A purpose, the increasingly complex project in construction sector and the unique nature of each project increase the importance of planning, optimization of time, cost, and quality parameters indispensable mission of modern project management. However, the work program reaches obligatory in the construction pace in the Turkish public construction sector, has not reached the desired level in private sector. It is aimed to guide the project stakeholders by comparing the benefits of business programming over two different methods. Method, work programming of the manufacturers selected from the projects of the residence and school building in Kayseri was made using CPM and PERT. Thus, the benefits that different projects and the methods used can provide to the project manager are compared over time. Findings among the activities to be done in project, formwork activities, reinforcement activities, concrete activities, and brick wall activities were selected. Metrics and research analyses were made for each project. Time analysis of the activities was carried out in line with these data. Conclusion. It is concluded that the project manager must manage the project planning process by observing the activities that can be included in the project's their duration and costs. Introduction. The most significant share in the growth of the country's economies belongs to sectors such as agriculture, industry, trade, and construction. The construction sector has most significant share among these sectors. The percentage of the construction sector in the gross domestic product approximately a percent 30 level. This is possible to complete the projects produced in the construction sector within the desired time, quality, and cost with the coordinated work. This coordinated work is provided by concept of project management. Oberlander, on the other hand, defined project management as balanced management between scope, budget, and planning, and state that quality is an indispensable element in the balance shown in the figure 1. Nowadays, due to the combination of different disciplines in the projects, the specificity of the projects and the growth of the project volumes, the importance of project management has increased and has become an element of the competition among companies. In today's economic conditions, it has become essential to evaluate projects in terms of time and cost. And it has become essential goal to produce and the best quality work at the most appropriate time and cost. Project planning is the establishment of the method and strategy system in line with the project objectives. Shown figure 2, the project management process interaction. Planning in project management. Project planning has gained importance in the construction sector, which covers a significant part of the economies of developed and developing countries in the world, with an increase both technology and volume projects in recent years. Project planning is the process of determining the actions required to achieve the project management objective. It is a dynamic process that includes questions about why, how, when, and for whom the project planning will be done. Show figure 3, project planning process cycle. In order for the planning to be successful, it is essential for all parties involved in the project to participate in the planning process and determine sections and critical activities. Project planning techniques include Gantt diagrams, critical path methods, program evaluation and review technique, equation bar method, and saddle method. PERT and CPM diagrams are used to observe critical information such as the other activities in the projects, the effect and priority of activities, the effects of problems affecting the functioning between activities. Material and method. Nowadays, project planning, which will make project management successful, has gained importance due to the fact project management is a competitive element. In this study, the work scheduling of the productions selected from residence and school projects in Kayseri has been made using CPM and PERT. Thus, the benefits of different projects and the methods used can be compared to the project manager. Application within the scope of the study, 2 schools A and B and 2 residents C and D in the central districts of Kayseri were examined. Show figure 4 location of the projects. The school A within 15 classrooms located in Talas district has closed area. 1,800 consists of the 3 floors, basement, ground floor, and normal floor. Another school B that is being examined located in Melikgazi districts and consists of 43 classrooms. Data of schools are given in table 1. Figure 5 shows school A. Figure 6 shows school B. Within the scope of the study, the first residence examined in the Kocaeli districts consists of 34 flats and 4 shops. The residence which consists of 10 floors, including basement, ground floor, 7 normal floor, and attic. Another residence of D examined is located in the Melikgazi districts and consists of 27 flats and shop. The data of the residents are given in table 2. Figure 7 show residence C. Figure 8 show residence D. Findings: all activities carried out in projects reviews are carried out by separate groups of workers. Among the activities to be carried out in the project, 4 activities were selected. Quantities of these activities were issued for each project. Afterwards, a research analysis was made according to the unit price list prepared by the Ministry of Environment and Urbanization. In the line with these data, duration analysis of the activities were carried out. Show in table 3 quantity summary and duration analysis of activities. In line with the data obtained to plan each project with the CPM method, 5 parameters were calculated for each activity, including the earliest start, the earliest finish time, the lastest start and lastest finish time, and total abundance. Firstly, the CPM diagram of the activities selected from school project A consisting of 15 classrooms was created, and it was determined that it could be completed in a period of 1,029 days, shown in figure 9. Afterwards, a CPM diagram was created for the school project B, consisting of 43 classrooms, and it was seen that it could be completed for 104 days, in show figure 10. A CPM diagram was created for the residence project C, consisting of 34 apartments and 4 shops, and it was determined that it could be completed 216 days, show figure 11. Finally, a CPM diagram was created for the residence project D, and it was seen that it could be completed 243 days, shown in figure 12. In line with the data obtained, Delphi method was used to plan each project within the PERT method. Within the scope Delphi method, a 5-person estimated group consisting of technical staff, architect, civil engineer, or technical, was determined for the activities selected in the project. PERT diagrams were created by making calculations with the data from estimators. Firstly, it was determined that the activities selected in the school project A could be completed 67 or 85 days in PERT diagrams shown in figure 13, and the PERT diagrams was created for the school project B. It was seen that it could be completed a period of 115 or 143 days, shown in figure 14. For the residence project C, a PERT diagram has been established and it can be completed within the period of 164 or 202, show figure 15. Finally, for residence project D, a PERT diagram was created and it can be completed in period of 218 or 266 days, show figure 16. Results. In this study, the CPM and PERT diagrams of selected activities were created and the completion times of the activities were determined, show figure 17. Based on the data obtained, it was determined that the main difference between the CPM and PERT diagrams was in the time estimates. Since the projects have different functions, different volumes, and different floor heights, it allows project managers to choose the optimum or near optimum alternatives by comparing different time combinations of projects. It has been determined that by planning the projects separately with CPM and PERT techniques, it provides project managers with different perspectives and facilitation in building the problem structure. Thus, the necessity of the project manager to manage the project planning process by observing which activities, duration, and cost can be accumulated in the project. Within this type of analysis, which is trusted to be accurate, the project management will be able to success by making time analysis of the project stakeholders in the planning process of the projects in public and private investments. This study is aimed to contribute to future academic studies and stakeholders in the building or construction industry. Thanks for listening.